Hello there. Welcome back to our training for admins as we go through configuring your admin account and your team account for maximum success. On this particular training though, we're going to be talking about a feature within the system called the voicemail library. This feature gives you the ability to pre-record a voicemail and then instantly drop that voicemail on your prospects' phones if they don't answer, if it goes to voicemail, saving you a tremendous amount of time, especially as you think about the amount of calls you and your team will be making. So if you plan on having your team drop voicemails as they're making calls, make sure you stay tuned to this training. So let me show you how you can record a voicemail. So in the upper right-hand portion of the page, you're going to click on the menu right here, and you're going to go down to Dial Session Settings. From the Dial Session Settings page, over on the left-hand side, you're going to see the Voicemail Library option. We're going to go ahead and click on that. And that'll bring us to the Voicemail Library. So we have three options when we're recording a voicemail. We can use our browser, meaning a headset plugged into our computer. We can upload a file, take an MP3 or WAV file and upload that into PhoneBurner. Or we can use our telephone. Dial one of the numbers, enter our PINs, and we're golden. So let me show you real quickly how to use the browser option to record a voicemail. So I'm going to click on browser. I'm going to give my voicemail a name. And then I'm going to go ahead and click on this red record button. Now the first time you do this, you're going to need to give your browser permission for PhoneBurner to access your microphone. So we're going to go ahead and allow that. Then we're going to get this little countdown. Once that's done, we can record our voicemail. Now, keep in mind, this is an outgoing voicemail. So you want to leave this voicemail as if you're leaving it on somebody's answer machine right now. Now, if you need to pause, not a problem. Just click on the little pause option right here. And then go ahead and resume. When you're done, click the little stop option. And now you can preview the recording. And if you're not happy with it, you can delete it. Confirm that you want to delete it and then start the recording again. And now we're recording our audio. Now remember, this is an outbound voicemail. I'm going to go ahead and record what I want to record, then I'm going to stop it, preview it. If I'm happy with it, I'm going to go ahead and save it. Now that's going to add a voicemail. That's going to add that voicemail to my library. So here you can see it, it's in my library. Right now, I'm the only one who sees this voicemail. And you have the ability as an admin to decide whether or not you want to pre-record a voicemail for your entire team or if you want everybody on your team to record their own voicemails. Now, if you decide that you want to make your voicemail available to the entire team, you just click on the Share This button. Now, if you don't have the Share This button available, you need to go to your team settings. We've already talked about the team settings, but the master config team settings, and you need to enable voicemail sharing. Just switch that to add, and then you'll have that option to share those voicemails. Now, once you've shared a voicemail, that voicemail is now available to your team member. So let's log in as one of your team members. I'm going to take Heather here, and I'm going to log in as her. When I log in as Heather, if I go to the upper right-hand corner and I click on that same menu and go to Dial Session Settings and then click on Voicemail Library, Heather, when she's logged in, she will see the recording that's shared from your admin account. You'll notice she cannot delete that recording, but she does have the ability to add her own voicemails. When she clicks on that, she'll see the option to use the browser to record, upload, or the telephone. She's going to use whatever option she wants to get an audio file into the PhoneBurner system. I'm going to go ahead and just upload one real quick. Let's go ahead and grab a file. Just call it Heather VM, save it. And now you'll see that Heather has the admin VM and her own voicemail. And if she goes to start a dial session, she'll actually have the choice to choose whether or not she wants to use the one that you've shared, or if she wants to use the one that she has uploaded. And that's how easy it is for you to add voicemails to your voicemail library. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video. Now remember, this is only one video in the admin training module, so make sure you mark this step as complete and move on to the next step. Thanks again, and happy dialing.